What's up everyone? What we've got today is a video on how to replace the transfer box mount on Mitsubishi L200. Now, as you can see, these don't seem the most heavy duty thing, but that's the way they're supposed to be. The one that's in this now is completely trashed. Once I've took the cover off, you'll get a better view at it. There's like nothing left in the middle. It's metal on metal contact basically, which you don't want. So it's a pretty easy job, although it can be made really difficult if these have rusted into place, which does happen. So you may have to get it grinded out. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Really, it's only 2 bolts. If you've still got a cover on, it's another 4 bolts you have to take off to remove the cover. Pretty easy. So what we'll do, we'll go into there now, remove the cover, and I'll show you just how bad this mount actually is. So here we go. This is the cover I was on about. As you can see, it's just 4. Put that down. 4 bolts, one there, then 1 or 2 over in that corner. So I'm going to whip these out now. Just tried using the impact, but it's dead. So with a bit of luck, you can actually see what I'm doing here. Wow, these are tight. I'll tell you what, that put up a fight. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the camera off while I remove the others, then I'll get back to you. Right, so now I've got the cover off. You can see just what state that's in. Now, to remove this, technically all you have to do is remove this nut, push the 3 bolt out, and then remove this nut to actually remove the mount. That should be all there is, but I can guarantee it's going to be a damn sight more than that. So this bolt here is a 14mm. And surprisingly, that's come off. Oh my god. Not only has that came off. Oh, mind you, that would happen. It's now spinning inside the bore. So I'm gonna see if I can crack this one loose. Too much trouble. This bottom one's also a 14. Don't know if you can see because the torsion bar's in the way, but it's just the one underneath. So what I'm going to have to do is get a socket onto the back side of this, onto the bolt, to stop it from spinning while I undo it. has now get off. Got to the point where the spanner won't ratchet anymore. Yeah, that's loose. Now let's just pray that I am able. Oh, would you look at that? That is the bolt for the mount. So now hopefully I'll be able to so there we have the mount, and there's the inner bit, completely goosed. So I'm pleased to say that that is, so far, by far the easiest job I've had to do on this truck. Even though it was rusty. It was very painless. So now continuing on, fasten this nut up. God's sake. I reckon it's too much to wish. There's not being a 14 as well. Oh, and it is. Ah, there we go. So now the new mount's in place. What we're going to have to do, is go and get the jack up the transfer case, because at the minute, as you can see, there's no way of getting that bolt through. Just needs lifting up, but it's too heavy to do it by hand. So I'll be back in 2 minutes when I've got the jack. So there we go, as you can see, jacked it up slightly, and the hole has perfectly lined up. So if I can put you somewhere where hopefully you're going to be able to see. But hopefully you understand, working in such a tight space can be a bit tricky. So filming under cars is not easy while it's still on the floor. So when you put this through, you've got the long bolt and a big washer that goes on this side. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can just tell that this bit is going to be a right pain. Oh, there we go. Turns out it wasn't that bad. Then once it comes to this side, you've got a split washer, and then an eye lock nut, go. Oh, for God's sake. This is the bit where you need arms like Mr. Tickle. There we go. Right, now I've got that tightened up a bit. Come on, let's get that and get it out the way, hopefully. That'll give me a little bit more access now to properly tighten this down. There we go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you change the transfer box mount on a Mitsubishi L200. Pretty easy actually. Quite happy with how smoothly that went. Nothing was seized, everything come off dead easy. So definitely give it a go. You know, I'm not going to say they're all going to be that easy, especially if it's rusted. But nevertheless, you know, it's not difficult. Basic tools, you could probably have it done. Maybe a grinder, the most. There we go, that's it. It's on. Tightened down. Now I'm going to take it for the drive before I put the cover back on. So if you've enjoyed this video, then remember, like, share and subscribe. Everything helps the channel grow. Catch you in the next video. See you later and goodbye.